Okay, so hello everyone. I am here just to write one simple Python program which will count it will have one string, let's say string and one. Okay, and it consists of alphabets, numbers, and special character also. So our aim is to count number of only alphabets, number of only digits, and number of only this special characters. Okay, so I will write one random like hello, then some numbers like 2904, then maybe a direct sign, then I will write world, then again dollar sign or percentage sign, some numbers again, and then I will close the double quotation. Then obviously first of all I will convert this into a list. So we require list function, and our string is str1, and we have stored that into the L1. Now, as we are counting character, digit, and special character, so we will require three variables. First of all, character equal to 0, digit equal to 0, and then special also character equal to 0. Okay, so initially we will require that, and then obviously we have to check each and every index, so we will require for I and N. Okay, and our list is L1, so I will write L1. Okay, then we know that if it is alpha function, it will check for only alphabets. If it is digit, it will check only for digit. So if I, okay, dot is alpha, okay, function equal to true, and we have to write T capital. If it is something like this, then we have to increment the value of that character variable. So we will write character and then a plus sign equal to and 1 we will write. So that is if condition. But if I write else if, or you can say elif actually, else if I dot, and if it is, and if I write digit, okay, it means if it is equal to true, then obviously we will increment digit by 1, and obviously else it is special characters, so we will actually uh, increment special character plus equal to 1. Okay, so and then at the end obviously we have to print our answer. So for example, for printing like if you are interested in printing first total number of characters, okay, I will write total number also, total number of characters. Okay, and here comma, our answer is stored in character variable. So we will write that, but I will just copy paste quickly, so I can write three lines quickly. One is for digit, so I will modify that, and number of total number of digits, and third one is the special characters, and I will write here special underscore character. So you all can see here that we have taken one string as an input, we have converted into list. Then initially we are using three variables, character, digit, and special underscore character. And then if it is alphabets equal to true, then it is character plus 1 plus equal to 1, increment by 1. If it is digit, then digit plus equal to 1, or else obviously it is a special character, so that is plus equal to 1, and then we are displaying three things outside of for loop actually. So we will first save this program. So we are done with that. Now we will run this module. So you all can see total number of characters are 10, total number of digits are 6, and total number of special characters are what, 3. Suppose you are interested in printing here uh, whatever we have stored in L1. So that also you can print, and you can check what actually we have stored, like this string into the list, how we have converted. So that is also possible. So again we will save this, and we will quickly just run this. So you all can see we are getting that individual list element like this, that is which we have stored in L actually. Okay, so that is all about counting number of characters, digits, and total number of special characters. Thank you.